Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I keep my home smelling good. Now I have a video that did really well, and that was with the Fabuloso and the plugins, but I don't use them any longer because it's a difference in the concoction that, not the Fabuloso, but the way that the plugins will allow it to spew out as far as the scent. So I guess now it has to be like an oil. It can't be just any liquid. So that's something I noticed, and I was just wasting my Fabuloso. Now, I do have people that say they tried Bath and Body Works and different things like that, but I am about saving coins and saving money in ways that I can not have to keep buying things over and over and spend less and get more. So we're gonna go with this. Now, I seen this several years ago. I want to say about 3-4 years ago, and I did it a couple times, but I never really thought about it. I just throw some in there, and I'm like, wait a minute, you know, let me share this as well. So today I went out to grab another oil burner for my bathroom, which is a regular oil burner from Dollar Tree. That's all you're gonna need, and some tea light candles. And you're gonna need your choice fragrance of Unstoppables. This is the one I like, and I also like the pink one. Now, not only can you burn it in this type, you can burn it in this type here. And in here I ran out of the pink, so you can actually mix them. So I have some blue that I threw in on top of it. Once it dries, it becomes solidified, and then you just plug your warmer back up, and it literally just melts back again, and the fragrance comes back. So all you need is your tea light. And you're gonna like the tea light, and you really don't need a lot. When I tell you these things are amazing. Now, you can put these in your vehicle, but I would recommend if you put them in your vehicle, put them in an open container. Like say you use a jar or something small. You can throw some of these Unstoppables in the jar and put like a mesh over the top of it so the fragrance can come out, because these things do melt in the sun. So please don't just throw them in your car. I've actually seen videos where people said put them in little satchels and throw them in your car and hang them from your visor. No. Why? Because when the sun hits it, it's going to melt all over the inside of your car. So I'm just forewarning you, do not do that. These things literally melt. As you can see over here in this, they do melt. And you don't want that all over your car. Even in the satchels, putting them under your seat, you'll have this nasty solidified concoction that continues to melt and get solidified as it gets colder, or, you know, the wind, the air gets into the car. So you have your warmer, and literally you don't need that many. This jar can last you a long time. That's all you're gonna do. Now I have one sitting over here that I took out the other bathroom, and see how it melts? It melts just like a wax, just like that. And this right here is saving you coins, guys, because imagine the wax that you have to buy to make your home smell good. More than likely, you're getting wax burners, oil burners, and different things like that because you want your home to smell good. This is a way to make your home smell good. This is a bonus video that I'm going to be putting up for you guys. And I wanted you guys to see this because I'm about saving the coins, and because the Fabuloso has been doing some trickery. I mean, the Glade's been doing some trickery on us. I decided to come with this to share. I'm like, wait, when people come here, they're like, oh, your home smells so good. It's always smelling so good in the bathrooms and everywhere. So this is the reason why I use these. And then I also have other oils that I like to burn. So it depends on my mood. If I'm in a cleaning mood, I love to burn these. And then certain bathrooms, both of the bathrooms downstairs, I like to keep, the one bathroom downstairs, I like to keep it in. And then my daughter's bathroom, I like to keep that in there. So yeah, I wanted to share that, and that's all it is. And it literally is going to melt. And I'm gonna come back so you can see how fast this melts as well. It's actually already melting. I don't know if you could tell, but it's actually already melting. So it doesn't take long. You have some guests over, you want to freshen up the house and get it smelling nice and fancy and smelling like you've been doing cleaning all day, then you need to grab you some Unstoppables. And if you want to just try this out and not buy this, because this is $6 something at Walmart, I still think you're wasting money. They have little boxes of Gain at the Dollar Tree. So if you want to just get everything at one time, because that little box should last you a little while too, and it's only $1. Because look at, I only put, I want to say, what's that, 20, 30 little pellets in there, not even. And it smells so amazing in here. So I wanted to share that. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions about this, put it below. If you have any questions about anything else on my channel, if you want to see me do something on the channel, please leave it below. And guess what, guys? If you want to join my family, it is so easy. It is so easy and it's voluntary and it's nothing that you have to pay. And all you have to do is subscribe, hit that bell, because videos like this one right here, that's a bonus video, you miss out on them because you don't know when I load bonus videos, because you are not a part of the family for one, and you are not hitting the notification bell. So do that, enjoy my family, guys. And remember, I am the CPR Vibe as well. That's my other channel, link below. I am a transformation mentor, a sound healing practitioner, and I am a meditating mentor. And guys, I help people all around the world. I also have a radio show, the CPR Vibe, and that is every Sunday on tloveradio.net at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We talk about everything from life situations to being single, being a single mom, being a teen mom, how to date, how not to date, we talk about everything from sex and everything life encompasses. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit tloveradio.net up every Sunday at 8 p.m. and tell a friend to come join us over there and to check out this channel. I have lots of videos, over thousands of videos that you can binge watch. So if you're new and you're seeing this and this is something you Google, hey, don't just leave. Go check out some other videos. All right, talk to you guys later, and I hope you have an amazingly awesome day. Later, Gators.